Okay, so this video is the explanation for chapter 4. So when we mention about the discrete data, you just look at this one. That will be the only one that is discrete. Okay, because you have number of measures. You only have 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. You can have something else. And then for this one, if you're looking for the cast ref, okay, and now you can know that the cast limit, okay, that will be 10.5 and 19.5, okay, respectively. For the cast ref, that is actually related to the cast boundary. So you cannot find it for the cast ref. Okay, this one equals to the cast boundary difference. Okay, cast boundary, upper cast boundary. Okay, and then for this one, you would like to find out 44.5 kilogram or above. So that's why now you know this is what I've told you cast mark. From the cast mark, you can find out this one. Okay, so when you add them together, okay, and then divide it by 2, then you have 44.5. So this will be the cast boundary. That is why you're looking for this one, this one, this one, and this one. So hereby, you will have 12, and then for this one, 9, this one, 5, and this one will be 3. So that is why you can add them all together, which will give you C, 29. Okay, 29. So by observation, you want to find out most will be $100. So you just draw it out there. Then you can see it whether it is the maximum point. So only A will be the maximum point. So A is the answer. And for this one, 36%. That means now you have 50 multiplied by 36%. This is equals to 18. Okay, you want to find out 18th student. So this one, that means you want to find out 50 minus 18, which is equals to 32, this amount instead. That's why when you zoom in, okay, you can basically find it. That's just what you have with you. So this will be 58.5, which is B. So for A, basically you add them all together. So which will give you 4 plus, okay, 13, okay, and then you will have 17, 10, 7, and 4, which will give you 55 for A. And then you are going to see how many cast interval. Okay, there are 6 cast interval. Okay, 6 cast interval. And then what is the cast width? So that will be equals to 15 minus 12. Okay, that means 3 hour. Okay, so which 6 cast interval? First, you should know these are what concerns you. And then, how many batteries are there with the lifetimes less than 22.5? And this one actually will be the point here. Okay. So now if you can see it, that means we only look for the value 4 plus okay, here 4 plus 13 plus 17. Okay, for the remaining they are more than that. That is why this number will be 4 plus 13 plus 17, which is equals to 34. Okay, 34. And then for this one, more than that. So that means you have this one and this one with you. That is why you will have 7 and 4. 7 and 4, which is 11. Okay. Okay, for this one, less 27, 27 years old. That means you have to look at this one. Okay, so I guess you can see that A will attract more audience. Okay, which is less than 27 years old. And then for 41 years old, the point is here. So again, this time you can see it more. That means that will be B. And then a wide range of audience. So you can see the range here, like this for B, this one for A. So B will be obviously wider range. Last one, okay. Kate claims that she can find out the total number of audience, okay, who went to at least one of that. Do you agree? Yeah, I think no. Okay, because from this one, you only know that it is about attending one concert. Okay, attending one concert. So the data are not related in this sense. Okay, for this one, P10, the mean 10%, you find out the position, which should be, you draw it from 16. So look at this one, now you know it. That should be where you put the place. Okay, so that will be equals to 35.5. Okay, and next one, P60, will be equals to 160 times 60%, which is equals to 96. So you draw the line, okay, which will give you, let's say, so this one, that will be 48.5. And then for the last one, that will be about P85, which will give you 136. So this time you draw it from this side. Okay, and then that is why you will have 59.5 for this.